everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I did a previous Dollar Tree product review. And again, this one is from the $3 and $5 section as well. And it's called the Hype 6-inch LED ring light. Well, it has an adjustable clamp, compatible with any cell phone. 3 cooler temperatures, cool, natural, and warm. 10 brightness levels. Tripod include universal gooseneck phone mounts, I guess right here. Flexible socket for adjusting angles and USB cable for charging. Says it's for video calls, live streaming, selfies, and vlogging. Now, if you're into any of this or you just need some extra light, this should do the trick. So let's give it a try. I'm so curious. And again, it was only $5. Okay, nothing else is in the box. Comes with this little leaflet, just pretty much telling you how to set everything up. It says okay, so let's try these needle nose pliers. Now you can see it. So use some needle nose pliers to hold that. Now it says to screw this on. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so there we go. Finally. Okay, so now it says to screw the tripod into the base. Okay, so that was simple enough. And if you want to add your phone, put the gooseneck on. And then you would put this on top. Then you would unscrew this. Put it on the ball and then screw this right on top. And now you have this to angle your phone if you need to. And as you see, it comes with the USB, so you'll need a block. So I'll go and grab a block and then come back. Okay, so now I have a block. Before I plug it up, let me show you the control. So that's how you make it brighter. And I guess this is how you go between the coloring. Because again, it says it has 3 color temperatures, cool, natural, and warm. This is how you take down the light because it has 10 brightness settings. And then that's the on and off button. Okay, so let's give it a try. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are different colors, cool, natural, and warm. So I'll turn these lights down and see. I'm gonna just try all 10 brightness settings. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then go back down. I really didn't see a dramatic change. That's it, going all the way back down. I can see the change coming down. These are the 3 different color temperatures. We have cool, natural, and warm. And again, you can put your phone here on top, and you can just turn this all kind of ways. Look at that. Okay guys, I'm back, and just from moving the feet around when I had it on here, this came apart, and I think it's actually broken from what I can see here. So the thing about this, you have to be really careful with this. So is it worth $5? I would say yeah, it's worth $5. Just be really careful with the bottom piece. So what I'm going to do is just take this back to Dollar Tree and get a new one. You have to be really careful when you're handling this part. But as far as the light, I'm impressed with the lighting. So if you need some lighting for something really fast, run to your Dollar Tree and get one of these for $5. So yeah, I'll give this a 6 out of 10. So there you have it. This is my review of the Hype LED 6-inch ring light from Dollar Tree. I hope this helps someone out.